Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can share a YouTube video on any social media platform. So let me open a YouTube video and let me pause this video, then scroll down and here you can see share button. So you will get this button on every video. Then here you can see these are different social media platforms. So if you want to share on any platform, just so for example if you want to share on Blogger, just you can go here and then here you can see I have multiple blogs. Just you can select one of the above and then click on publish button. So again let me click here on Pinterest button and here you can see it's saved, so you can see from here. Alright, in this way you can share your YouTube video on any social media platforms.